Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by validating targets. Check domain authority and topical relevance so your outreach lands where it matters. Once done, pick 1 to 3 linkable assets, research, case study, or original image, and make them outreach ready. Next, compile prospects quickly. Use search operators, review competitor backlink profiles, and extract directory or resource page candidates. Make sure to record contact info, domain metrics, and the exact target URL. This saves time when you begin personalized outreach. You now move into relationship building and pitching. This is where conversion happens. Start with a short, personalized message that references a specific page and proposes a clear placement with suggested anchor text and your target URL. Once sent, follow up 2 to 3 times over 10 to 14 days, adding value each time. Also diversify channels. Email, social, or contact forms, and offer something useful like exclusive data, a guest post, or free images to increase the odds of a Doffollow link. You finish by verifying and monitoring each link to ensure it is Doffollow and correctly placed. Use a browser inspector or a backlink tool to confirm the rel attribute, and log links in your tracker so you spot removals or nofollow conversions early. If a link is nofollow or removed, don't panic. Reach back, politely negotiate an anchor or rel update, offer content improvements or a swap, and escalate only after 2 polite requests. Persistence usually fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.